Hello everyone guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna talk about one thing that will help you increase your win rate and be 100% sure in your deal. How search confirmations for your trading setup and our things. And of course at the end of this video I'll give you very useful simple trick what will increase your win rate and a great source of knowledge. So keep watching and don't miss anything please. So what we can see on this chart example, where is an uptrend movement, and if you want to trade, we need to look for the deals in the up movement. So the first thing to be sure in your deals is always trade by trend and don't look for the deals against the trend if you are not experienced trader. So if we are trading by the smart money concept, we need to mark higher lows and higher highs. Bam, bam, bam. So we mark them, and after that we need to decide from which formation we are gonna enter. For example, here we can see the first reaction from the FVG, the second reaction from the FVG or order block. Decide by yourself, and after that we need to think from which formation we are gonna enter. And for example, you want to enter from the FVG, and for example you want to enter from the FVG on these minutes. The first thing you need to do to open a good deal is take Fibonacci retracement and find premium and discount market. I talk about it in my previous videos. Look at the corner of your screen. After you find premium and discount market, if we are trading in bullish trend, we need to open the deals in the discount market. And of course the best way to open a deal is our optimal trading entry point. It is situated between these meanings, and we need to wait for the price coming from this direction, like on this example. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to follow to my Telegram channel where I'm gonna drop all the learning materials. Follow the link in the description, and welcome. This pool of liquidity, I'm not gonna be a breakout structure because our high low played here and it is a substructure. So when the price dropped to optimal trading entry point, we need the best thing you can do in this situation. And to be sure in your deal, you need to go to the lower time frame. For example, now we are situated in the 1 day time frame for confirmations of for finding confirmations of our deals. You need to go to the 4 hour time frame. For example, you need to always trade by your feelings, your trading plan. Create it by yourself. Now we are dropped to the 4 hour time frame, and this zone after the price drop are gonna look, for example, like that. And to open a good deal after the consolidation on these meanings, we need to wait for the some factors. It's the breakout structure, break of substructure, capturing of liquidity and retest of the zone, or we can trade from the side movement stage. For example, here in this zone you can move to the lower time frame, find where sideways movement, and only after that open a trade from the FVG lower with a better risk reward ratio, with better stop loss or take profit. And in the middle of this video I'm gonna show you how to increase your rewards from the trades. So here in this situation we are looking for the breaking or substructure. Here we can mention, this not a big high. For example, here we can see a uptrend movement, downtrend, after that the break of substructure, and it's gonna form our new PVG on these meanings from which we can enter and avoid flat. And in this situation we are gonna get a lot of more profits with more conservative stop loss and good risk reward ratio on the and good take profit on the capturing of liquidity. And if we open it by the this FVG on the higher time frame, we get a better RR. So what I want to say, the higher time frame are more important. Always look at the higher time frames, trade by trend. Always look on the higher time frame formations and look for the confirmations on the lower time frames. Always look for the better formations, the trend way. Look for the better TVG and open the trades with better stop loss and good take profits. And it will increase your win rate and decrease your losses. And don't forget about risk management. The best way is to use it by 1 to 3 risk reward. So let's move to the real charts for the real examples. So on this example we are on the Ethereum time frame, Ethereum 1 day time frame, and here we can see TVG, a good TVG. But if we are gonna open just common deal in smart money concept. The risk reward are gonna be like that. The smart money concept, it's very bad risk reward ratio. So in this case, if we want to open a deal with this FG, we need to look on the our trend movement. Here we have higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and so we have a bearish movement. In this case, we are gonna open a short deal. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. And we keep in mind what we are gonna open a downtrend movement deal. And now on the 4-hour time frame, we have a Fiji what are really smaller, and the price get perfect direction from it, and it is touch the Fiji on the higher time frame. And in this situation, all the factors are mentioned. And if you are a good trader, you wouldn't miss the deal like that. So you can play the conservative stop loss like that, or the risky to the end of the Fuji, with the take profit on the capturing of liquidity and risk meanings. And the risk reward are gonna be about 5, so just in 2 days you get a good amount of money. So if you need more videos about how to confirmate your deal, how to get a bigger profit, just drop your comments below, and don't forget to follow my Telegram channel, where I'm gonna drop all the learning materials from this video and from the next videos. Thank you guys for watching, drop some likes, drop your comments, and goodbye. So